Every year, thousands of seniors get pulled aside at TSA checkpoints for items they didn't know were restricted. This video counts down the 10 most common items seniors lose at security and explains the simple fix for each one. From forgotten souvenirs to critical medication mix-ups, the list gets more consequential as we climb. Starting at number 10, with a harmless-looking keepsake that breaks the rules without even trying. In the 10th place, snow globes and liquid-filled souvenirs frequently catch travelers off guard. Under TSA rules, a snow globe is treated as a single liquid container, base included. To pass through security in your carry-on, the entire globe must contain no more than 3.4 ounces of liquid and fit completely inside your single quart-size plastic bag. TSA makes no exceptions for sentimental value. If it's too large, it may be surrendered at the checkpoint. The simple 5-minute fix is to inspect your souvenirs at home and pack any oversized globes safely inside your checked luggage. Number 9. Pocket knives and multi-tools forgotten inside old travel bags. When reusing a suitcase stored since a past trip, a tiny blade left in a zippered side pocket can easily slip by your home inspection, only to trigger an alarm at the checkpoint. Under official TSA guidelines, any knife or multi-tool featuring a cutting edge is prohibited in carry-on cabins. Even a bladed nail file can face refusal, whereas ordinary files pass freely. Your 5-minute fix is simple. Empty every pocket, purse, and eyeglass case before leaving, and pack any sheathed tools safely inside checked bags. 8th place, oversized toiletries and medical liquid kits. Everyday items like shampoo, toothpaste, and lotions must strictly follow the standard 3-1-1 rule, meaning they must be 3.4 ounces or less and fit inside a single quart-sized bag. However, medically necessary liquids are exempt from this size limit. While they do not bypass security screening, you can bring larger quantities if you declare them to officers before your bag enters the X-ray machine. Keeping pharmacy labels or a doctor's note handy helps clarify their use. Your 5-minute fix is to pack normal cosmetics in your quart bag and place your medical liquids in a separate, accessible pouch for quick declaration. Number 7. CPAP, BiPAP, and APAP respiratory devices are fully allowed in carry-on bags. They are essential medical equipment, so separate screening, like removing the machine from its case, running it through the X-ray, or swabbing it for explosives, is a standard safety check, not a prohibition. You do not even need a doctor's letter for the checkpoint. To avoid delays, empty the humidifier water chamber at home and keep the tubing organized. Just remember, any spare lithium-ion batteries or power banks for the device must stay in your cabin baggage, never in checked luggage, with terminals taped to prevent short circuits. Your 5-minute fix is to label the case clearly and notify the officer before screening begins. 6th place, expired or non-real ID compliant identification. A document issue can stop your travel plans before you even reach the baggage scanner. Beginning in 2026, standard driver's licenses without the official star marking may no longer be accepted at security checkpoints for domestic flights. While this does not mean every standard state license is instantly useless, verifying the document's status beforehand prevents any surprises. If your state license lacks compliance, a passport, passport card, military ID, or trusted traveler card serves as an excellent alternative. The simple 5-minute fix is to have an adult child or caregiver photograph the front and back of your card, then verify the expiration date and star marking against the current rules on tsa.gov well before your trip. Number 5. Loose or improperly packed medications. While transferring your daily tablets into a convenient plastic pill organizer is perfectly legal under TSA rules, carrying a mixture of unlabeled loose pills can occasionally trigger extra screening. Security officers are trained to notice unidentified capsules, which can lead to stressful questions or delays. While an ordinary organizer won't be confiscated, any unresolved medication queries could jeopardize your travel schedule. The quick 5-minute fix is to keep a printed copy of your prescriptions or the original pharmacy labels alongside your planner. Pharmacists recommend keeping your essential medicine in your carry-on bag rather than your checked luggage, so your vital health supplies stay safe and accessible throughout your entire trip. Fourth place, sharp mobility and hobby aids, including knitting needles and specialized canes. While standard knitting needles and walking canes are fully permitted in the cabin, they can trigger extra screening if their design appears unusual. For instance, metal knitting needles are perfectly legal to carry on, but sheathing them keeps them safe. A walking cane is an essential mobility aid, but if it features a concealed blade or weapon-like attachment, it will be confiscated. Ordinary storage compartments are fine, but any hidden sharp edge is prohibited. Your 5-minute fix is to examine your aids at home for any spikes, blades, or removable sharp tools. If your gear has an unusual design, contact TSA Cares before you head to the airport to ensure a smooth transition through security. Number 3, gift-wrapped presents in carry-on bags. Holiday travel often means bringing surprises for family, but wrapping paper cannot shield items from security scanners. If a TSA officer cannot clearly identify a package's contents, they may have to rip open your handiwork to inspect the item. While wrapped gifts are not automatically banned, the underlying items inside must still comply with standard airline rules. A beautiful package containing an oversized liquid or a sharp tool will still be rejected. Your simple 5-minute fix is to leave presents unwrapped or place them inside gift bags with loose tissue paper so officers can easily look inside. For complete peace of mind, consider shipping your packages ahead to your destination or wait to wrap your holiday surprises until after you land. In second place, full-size aerosol sprays, including sunscreen and bug repellent, frequently end up left behind at security checkpoints. Warm weather vacation favorites like spray sunscreen, personal deodorant, and insect spray are bound by the standard 3.4-ounce liquid and aerosol limit. Many travelers mistakenly assume these personal care sprays fall under medical exemptions, but the rules are strict. Only prescribed medical aerosols, such as inhalers, bypass the standard size limits when properly declared to security officers before screening begins. An ordinary full-size can of sunscreen simply cannot go in your carry-on. The practical 5-minute fix is to check every spray bottle in your bag, including containers packed months ago. Swap any oversized cans for compliant travel-size versions that fit neatly into your quart-sized plastic bag, or pack your favorite full-sized sprays safely inside your checked luggage for a worry-free flight. And finally, in first place, duplicate or backup medication bottles. Carrying an extra supply of critical medicine is medically important to protect against unexpected travel delays, missed connections, or lost luggage, and official TSA guidelines do not restrict carrying these duplicate quantities. Instead, the actual risk at the security checkpoint comes from packing these backups in unlabeled bottles, mixing different pills together in one container, or carrying multiple jars without any explanation. To ensure a smooth screening process, keep all original pharmacy labels intact and pair your backup bottles with a printed copy of your active prescriptions or doctor's letter. Pharmacists recommend a simple 5-minute prep step. Separate your primary and backup medications into distinct, clearly marked travel pouches and compare both against your master medical list before leaving home. While security officers may perform additional manual screening or swipe your medication containers for explosive residue, having properly labeled, organized backup supplies prevents confiscation and protects your physical well-being. Subscribe to our channel for weekly senior travel updates and like this video if you found these tips helpful. Across these 10 items, one truth emerges. Airport delays aren't about bad intentions, but simple preparation oversights. Most checkpoint surprises are preventable with just 5 minutes of planning. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for weekly senior travel updates.